Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with MyWyoStyle. Remember, God loves you. I am going to show you how to make the most amazing blueberry muffins. Let's get started. We are going to start out with 2 1/4 cups almond flour that has been sifted. One and a half teaspoons baking soda. And since these are the only 2 dry ingredients, we're going to stir them together. Now let's cut this 2 tablespoons of butter in. And we're going to add 3 eggs. And we're going to add this 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and last of all, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This will activate the baking soda. And after I tasted it, it's going to need a half a teaspoon of salt. Now let's fold in 1 cup of blueberries. This is an antique muffin tin that I found, and I think it's just for muffin tops because it's really shallow. I'm going to spray some avocado oil in it and rub it around all the edges. Now I'm going to use an ice cream scoop. It's a medium size, and I'm just going to scoop my batter right in the tin. Just spread the batter out evenly. And by now, if you know me, I am going to sprinkle it with some coconut sugar. Now we're going to bake them for 12 to 14 minutes. These look so amazing. Let's see if we can get one out. Yes, they came out really easily. The muffin feels like it's cake-like, and the blueberries bursted open perfectly. Now let's see what it tastes like. Wow. These are amazing. Extremely buttery, soft, melts in your mouth. You guys really have to try these muffins. So here is a second batch. I was able to get 11 muffins out of that recipe. This muffin pan was so much fun to use. I filled each section up with about a half an inch of batter, and it's just like a muffin top. Well, friends, thank you for viewing this video. And as always, may God bless you.